Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're taking a look at number 10 from L18. It says the formula C equals 5/9 times F minus 32 can be used to find the temperature in degrees Celsius if the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit is known. If the temperature is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in degrees Celsius? All right, so here's the formula that they give us. I just put it larger over here. And all we really need to do is just substitute in the value. This value right here needs to be substituted in the place of F. So let's rewrite everything. C equals 5/9. But instead of putting an F, I'm going to substitute in this number right here, which is 50. And then we have to subtract 32. All right, so the next thing you have to decide is, what are we supposed to do first if we're following order of operations, which we always do? Are we going to do the parentheses and subtract this? Or are we going to multiply the 5/9 times 50? Well, because we have a set of parentheses and we always have to do what's in the parentheses first, that's first. We have to find what 50 minus 32 is. All right, so we can't take 2 away from nothing, so we have to rename. This will become a 10. So this minus this would be 8, and this minus this would be 1. So here's what we know. We know that 50 minus 32 is 18. So really what we have to do is we have to take 18. I'm going to move this down just a touch. And we're multiplying that with 5/9. This right here. Now, fortunately, 18 is compatible with the 9, which makes this a little bit easier. Let's move that out of the way. All right, so C equals 5/9 times 18. Now, some people like to just stick a 1 underneath this, but it's not entirely necessary. That's just for formatting purposes. 9 is a factor of both this number and this number. Remember, we can always look for that GCF of any numerator and denominator, simplify it before we multiply. So if we divide this by 9, we get 1. And if we divide this by 9, we get 2. So the only thing left you have to do is figure out what 5 times 2 is, and if we divide that by 1, it's going to give us the same answer, and then look for the answer choice in the lineup of choices.